Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Karina and this is my husband Neil. In today's video, we are gonna be doing the, what is it called?
Jalapeno challenge?
No. The pickle wrapped in fruit roll-ups, chamoy dip, and tajin. So you're gonna need a pickle for roll-ups, tajin, and chamoy dips, which, by the way, shout out to Joanna's Chamoy Dips. If you all are from Laredo, you need to get your chamoy dips from her. They are super, super good. And shout out to Joanna. I will leave her Facebook link down below so you guys can check out those rim dips. They're super, super, super yummy. So the first thing we're gonna do is open the fruit roll-ups and we're gonna lay them out on a plate. So yo vi esta receta en TikTok y pues se me antojó. So we're gonna lay out the fruit roll-ups on a plate, that way we can roll the pickle. And then we're gonna get a spoon. Oh wait, I put that one on.
Yeah, está.
Okay, I have 3 flavors. Okay, so I have 3 chamoy rim dips that, as I mentioned, I got from somebody here locally. Her name is Joanna. I bought the regular, which is this one, and then I bought the fresa, which is this one. And then she was super sweet and gave me a sample of the sandia one, which, by the way, el de sandia es el mejor in my opinion. And then strawberry and then original. So which one do you want to use for today?
Sandía.
Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of chamoy on the fruit roll up just so that it can stick. We need more. Okay. Okay, so no completamos porque the pickle is humongous. So we're gonna open 2 more. Ahí les encargo el gastito.
Las chicas hasta las 12 de la noche.
Ay.
Pero vas a tener que poner arriba mano para que peguen así.
Sí. OMG.
Un pepino mal envuelto. ¿Qué es esto?
Es un chingo de dulce. Okay, so now we have to bañarlo in more chamoy dip. Let's use the strawberry one. Yes? ¿Esa?
Ahora lo que vamos a hacer, vamos a echarle el de fresa, el tamarindo de
Chamoy. We're gonna have to roll it in tajin. And now the last step is to roll it in tajin. Okay, so they're finally done. And well, now the taste test to see what we're gonna rate it from 1 through 10. ¿Sí?
Vamos a ver.
Yo le puse extra chamoy al mío porque están bien ricos los chamoy dips. No voy a manchar. Bueno, cheers. I got it on my
Ah,
nose.
eso no era. Está bien sour esa madre.
Super sour.
Muy sour.
Sí, está
Yeah,
bien
it's
sour. I think it's the pickle because it's not this. Well, I did not like it. Did you?
No.
But in all fairness, no somos como big fans de pickles, right? Like I'm not really
A mí no me gustan los pickles.
at all.
No.
Oh, well, I do like them, pero no tanto. And it's really, this specific pickle was super sour. Like, yo me andaba ahogando ahorita. So yeah, I liked more the fruit roll up with the chamoy dip than I did the pickle.
A mí no me gustó el pico para nada.
So, del 1 al 10, yo le doy un... Nah, I give it like a 6 because it's good. But it's good if you like pickles. I think you're gonna like this. But also, está bien chewy el fruit roll up como para... You know what I mean, right? Like, I feel like the texture of the fruit roll up como que no es como para... So anyways, I give it a 6. Neo gives it a 0.
No, no le pongo un 3. Más por el dulce y el chamoy. Pero el pepino no me
The
gusta.
chamoy is good, right?
A mí no me gusta el pepino.
So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my friend Joanna's Facebook page. It is Joanna's Chamoy Dips on Facebook. It's a group. She actually has a giveaway right now, so you all should go check her out. And these are super yummy. So again, thank you guys so much for your support.
Muchachas, si tienen un novio, un amigo, un primo, un amante, un Sancho, un tío, un sobrino, un vecino que le gusta la mecánica y son tacuaches, síganme en mi página de YouTube, Ni Olivo, para ver los contenidos. Nomás hagan click, subscribe y denle like.
Again, thank you guys so much for your support. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video with me and my esposito. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and love. ¿Qué rollo, raza? Voy a llorar. Yo le puse extra chamoy al mío.
Pero pues si tú quieres echarle mucha, pues tú échale mucha, ¿ok?
Baby, I look like this. Because I didn't know what you were saying already.
¿Le gusta el pepino?
No.
Muchachas, si no le gusta...
Video with me and my esposito. No.